once I have life, I will go live and eat some food, show you guys, and also rock some food with you guys. A blessed Sunday to you all, and please join the live, okay? And I give thanks for all of you guys who joining me so far, who joining me all the while, you know. Give thanks. God bless you all. Today I'm gonna eat this year this vegetable rice and white rice together. Okay, this is brown stew fish right here with a few fried plantain, and this is some steamed cabbage. Okay, and this is my vegetable around here. I have watercress, I have salad, and I have cucumber. Alright, and this is some sorrel. Don't know you can't live without the sorrel, people. Yeah. Christmas time you have sorrel, and this is some string beans with some corn, you know. First and foremost, I'm gonna pray for the food and then I get right into it, alright? So please join the live, okay? Most righteous and eternal Father, we give you thanks again for life. We give you thanks for everything you have done for us and what you're about to do. Lord, bless this food and sanctify this food, Father God. And bless those who don't have it and help them to get something to eat, Father. Prepare something for them, Lord. I know many people in the world in a worse state, in some, devastation state, Father God, where they need things, Please, hand out something to them, Lord. Bless this food and sanctify it. In the name I pray, amen. Alright, I'm gonna start off with my cucumber. Here we go. I've eaten the vegetable. It's very good. Please join the live, please. And when you join the live, please thumbs up, alright? Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. Showcase some authentic food here with you guys. Settings look beautiful, right? Tell my people, settings look good, right? Please join the live. Ladies, thumbs up. If you join the live for the first time, I join my channel for the first time, please subscribe, touch the notification bell, touch all, and upload another video first to notify and get it, alright? So please, tell a friend to tell a friend, Please, thumbs up the video, please and thanks. Thank you, people. Thank you for joining with me. Please thumbs up the live, please. Need that thumbs up, please. It's my watercress. You can't come for it, man, no problem. My person will share a lot. Wow. I'm eating everything, people. Please join the live. Please thumbs up, please. Please, my people, please and thank. Everything going down. Please join the live, please. Anything around there? Getting everything, not leaving anything. Anything there? Okay. Please thumbs up the live when you get on the video, when you get on the thing, people. Please thumbs up the live. Please, I'm asking live. Please thumbs up. Please and thanks. You guys, please. I'm showcasing my nice dinner with you guys. Wow. Started with all vegetable first. All the please. Big up yourself, my friend. Big up yourself, my friend. Raju. Big up yourself, my friend. Big up yourself. Check out them things with dads. My God. We have vegetable rice. We have white rice and vegetable rice. Mix with the white rice. Half vegetable and half white rice. We have brown stew fish. We have some fried plantain. We have some steamed cabbage. Wow. And we have, to top it off, nice sorrel drink. One time a year this come around. Christmas. My God. Please thumbs up the live. Please. Thumbs up the live. If you're not subscribed as yet, please do so. Thank you. Consume all the vegetables first, you know? Please join the live, please. These and thanks. When I finish eating, man. I'm just enjoying the food, you know? Big up yourself, big up yourself. Please and thanks, my people. Please, thumbs up the video, please. Alright. I'm gonna dig in now. I'm gonna dig in. Right, rice first. A little vegetable rice mixed with it. Wow. And Get a little gravy on it as well. Please thumbs up the video, please. Put a little cabbage on it. Please and thanks. Okay? Go in the night now. You must try this meal at home, you know. Nice meal them here, you know. Nice, authentic Jamaican food, you know. Big up on yourself, fans and family and friends. Big up on yourself, enough respect. Thank you for take time out to sit and watch me eat this lovely meal, you know. Many, many thanks. Thumbs up the video, please and thanks. Please and thanks, thumbs up the video. Join the live, people. Big up yourself, brother Mitch. Big up yourself. Gonna eat a one plantain pizza too. Nice and juicy plantain. Like up the live, people. Please like up the live and please subscribe. Please thumb up the video. Please and thanks. With some more cabbage as well. Some nice, delicious cabbages, now, people. Well looking, well take care, you know. Nice cabbage metal, people. It's not too soft. It's just crunchy and nice, you know. Please, thumbs up, people. Join the live, please. Come in, the people, come in. This food is too nice, you know. Wow. Like up the live, people. Like up the live. Please thumbs up. Please thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet do so, please. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. People, thank you for joining the live now. Who's on the live already? Please, thank you people. Thank you. The menu is vegetable rice with white rice, cabbage, steamed cabbage, brown stew fish, fried plantain. Okay? Authentic sorrel juice. Wow. The people, enjoy the live no man. Join the live man. Please and thanks man. Please and thank you people. Please. Uh-huh. Taste the fish and no. Nice. Nice brown stew fish, my people. Nice brown stew fish, my people. Nice. Join the live, people. Please join the live. Please and thanks. Huh? They was at prison yesterday, man. That's right. What you guys say I'm craving? No way. Paul Brady, I get out of prison yesterday, okay? Why you being so rude, man? Let's get along with the program, man. Thumbs up and subscribe. Paul Brady, please thumbs up and subscribe. Be nice, man. The people, I'm going on a little thing when my kid grow up, you know. Please thumbs up the live, please and thanks. Thumbs up the live, please. Please touch the notification bell if you're not yet do so. Subscribe if you're not yet do so. Please thumbs up the live, alright? The people, when your kids grow up, a lot of things you experience, you know. So me say we used to go like church on Saturdays, you know. You know, every Saturday I'm going to church and think my father and things like that, you know. And on Saturday we go to church, you know. And praise and worship and go on, you know. And I tell the people, somebody in our church, you know, lift up them tail, you know. Them leg or something, my body if I put a mask like this, you know. Cover them nose, my body if stay like this. Church mess up. People, after the praise and worship, you know, one of the church brother get up, you see, man. Man say, I testify, you know. And the man get up and said, People, the devil came in the church and lift up him tail and break within the church. The whole church pop up, my people. The whole church pop up. Cause say the devil come in the church, cock up him tail and break within the church. Cause everybody have a mask like that, put them on the nose, you know. Cause I don't know where that come from, you know. So I figure more or less I do it still. I figure more or less I do it, you know. Mm. Yes, my people, yes, my people, yes, my people. This is it, my people, this is it. Please thumbs up the live, please and thanks. Please thumbs up the live. Wow. Beautiful fish, you know? Wow. Getting it now, my people. Please join the live, please thumbs up and please, if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. My friend Paul Bailey, big up yourself, man. Subscribe to the video, man. And thumbs up, yeah? And tell your friend about it. No respect, yeah? Yeah, Mr. Brady? Don't afraid to do so, man. Yes, my people. Thumbs up the live, please thumbs up the live, please. Please join the live and thumbs up the live. Please, when you join the live, please thumbs up, please. Okay? My people, here's another little joke when I grow up again. When you were a kid, you know you live in the country, you don't really know nothing like that. You're not exposed to certain things, you know? You don't have no knowledge towards certain things. So on Christmas, you know, when Christmas comes, you know, so when Christmas comes, everybody want to enjoy themselves and every time you used to like, when you're a kid, you can't go nowhere during the year, you know, because your parents real strict. So Christmas time, you know, say you get a little break to come out and everything, you know. You let you go like Christmas time and you come out. Some people, we all outside a play and thing on a bus for a rocket and them little something there, you know. But we never know say the soldier them a camp out in the hills. So normally like where there's the fireworks and thing and them bust the thing in the air goes a boy. And you see it sparkling and flying in the air like this. Huh? one brother the next door for house and thing. Hmm? So him said to him wife say he not call her name but him said like I just call her name but that's not her name. Him said to his wife say like I say, Nita, it seems like the Lord is coming. The element boss. You know? So he said to his wife say, make we go away. One place I said, thumbs up the live, please thumbs up the live, please thumbs up the live. One place in a Saint Catherine named Gube, you know. I said Catherine no there, you know. Say, I tell you what, say, make we go Gube. So it's like the Lord now come a Gube. You understand people? You must see the flare go up in the ear, you know. Because it's so that I'm about the fire rocket thing in the ear to a Christmas. So you never know nothing about that. Man say, seems like the Lord is coming, the element boss. Make we go Gube. So the Lord now come a Gube, you know. One little brother in their country, lie, a lie name. People, the man go say, my father. I tell my mother say, like I say, that's her. I go bury myself. I go bury myself, that's her. I go bury myself. So he said the element, two man in the next door bar say element boss the Lord is coming. Him say my father say I go bury himself. People, well, when they have certain experience and certain things, you fool the thing, you know. And the first time I see fire rocket busting in the ear, you know. Like when the soldier in my camp boat, the first time I never knew about that. Mm. I just saw the thing go. The more you live, the more you learn, you know. The people, all who is on the live, please thumbs up the live, please. Touch the thumbs up button, please. If you don't know where to find it, look at the phone, look at the top of the phone. You see thumbs up at the top, just touch the thumbs up. Please and thanks. Please the people. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Ask for the support, please and thanks. Nice brown soup is vegetable white and white rice. My. Real nice. Please join the live, please. You know, every Sunday I'll do this. I do this every Sunday. Looking for your support, looking forward to your support. Please and thanks. Please, my people. Join the live. This is the okra. Okra and my brown soup fish too as well. Big up to all of my fans and friend, family, you know. All of my subscribers, my family, and my friends, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. And big up all YouTubers. Enough respect to all, man. All of you guys, enough respect. Please, my people, join the live. Please thumbs up the live, please. Make me some thumbs up, man. Please and thanks. And ask them some thumbs up, man. Please. Don't wait, thing, man. Please and thanks. What do you want to see me eat next week? Think I'm gonna do some curry goat. subscriber, my friend them. Please thumbs up the video, man. All of you guys on the video and watching me right now, please thumbs up. Please and thanks. Please. Thumbs up. Please. Thank you. Coming down to the final round now, people. Coming down to the final round. Touch the thumbs up button now, people. Please. So I consume all of the food. My. Touch the thumbs up button, please. Please, the people. Begging us some thumbs up, please. Pretty please, now begging us some thumbs up. Beg feet. Yeah, man, I'm begging them, man. And the boy all-purpose kitchen TV, you know. You follow the channel, you know, so some authentic cooking going over there, you know. Only for nice food we cook, you know. Put on all them things with bacon, you know. No flicker thing go on. Just follow the channel, man. All-purpose kitchen TV. Thank you guys, you know. Without you guys, it couldn't be possible, you know. Because without your support, it couldn't work. So I give thanks to you guys all the time. You know? And if you guys want me to prepare something, just just tell me what you want to see or what you want me to do, you know? And I'll try and get it done. Okay? This sorrel juice now. Sorrel have a little rum in it, you know, sugar, ginger, you know. You don't know how to prepare it, you just put on the water with some ginger, make the ginger boil in the water, and then you add the sorrel to the pot, and then you lock off the stove, cover the pot, and make it steam like from overnight, you know. You do it in the night before you go sleep, and make it steam right through the night till the next morning. You strain it off, and you put your ingredients in it, with a red label wine, like a rum, you know, and sweeten with your sugar. Good to go. Very good drink for your body. Sorry. Yeah. Just follow all-purpose kitchen, man. You guys learn a lot, you know, and I'm willing to learn also. I follow a lot of YouTube and, you know, watch their stuff and things like that, and, you know, willing to learn, you know. So you guys just continue to follow All-Purpose Kitchen, and please support the channel. Thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, share it, you know, share it family and friend, your neighbor, your brother, your sister, you know. Just give me the support. You understand, people? Thank you all. Thank you. Really. Thanks, people. Until next week, same time. I see you guys another banger. Alright? Thank you.